to show you guys how to make these super easy, crispy pasta crisps. The things you're going to need to make your pasta crisps are pasta, chili powder, olive oil, Italian herbs, and then the optional ingredients are chaat masala and garlic powder. First, boil about 250 grams of pasta and according to the package instructions. So now I have boiled my pasta and I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons chili powder. You can increase or decrease these measurements according to your taste preferences. And then you're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I am adding chaat masala as an optional ingredient. You definitely do not have to add this. I am adding it as taste I like. And then you're going to add some Italian herbs. And mix it together. While boiling the pasta, I added a little bit of salt, but now I'm going to add a tiny bit more for it to have a bit more as my taste. I have preheated my air fryer now, and I'm adding the pasta, and you're going to bake it for 10 to 15 minutes at 180 degrees. If you don't have an air fryer, you can use an oven. Once you have finished baking your pasta crisps, enjoy as a snack.